Welcome to DURGASOFT online training sessions. So myself, Prakash, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. So this batch is for data structures and algorithms with Java. So in short form, DSA with Java. So this course session timings are from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays. That means Monday to Friday, these sessions will be there. Okay. So fees for this session is 3,000 already. The complete information we shared. And coming to the course content, what we are going to discuss as a part of this DSA means, let me share the syllabus. So this is nothing but total 20 topics what we are going to discuss as a part of this session. So you can see the first topic here is algorithms and data structures. That is at a very top level. What are all the various algorithms are existed and what are all the data structures and its classifications at a very top level. Theoretical knowledge I am going to give. At the same time, analysis of algorithms. Sir, how we can analyze the algorithm? Which algorithm is the best? For example, if you see any computer science problem, suppose if you take any computer science problem, sir, you will be having n solutions for these problems, right? Sir, this is the first solution, and this is the second solution, and this is the third solution. Like how many solutions you will have? Multiple solutions. Among these three solutions, sir, which solution is best? How you can decide? There are certain factors for that. Like I can say time and space complexities. How much time it is going to take to execute is called as time complexity. How much space it is going to take for execution is called as space complexity. So what is meant by time complexity? The amount of time taken. What is meant by space complexity? The amount of space it is going to take. Like that we have said. Okay. So that analysis, how we are going to analyze that part we are going to discuss. After that, so in detail about the time and the space complexities. Next, very important, recursion and what are all the various applications of recursion, backtracking algorithms, divide and conquer algorithms, sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, dynamic programming, greedy method, hashing algorithms, bit manipulations. These are various types of algorithms what we have in computer science. So after that, the main part like data structures, array data structure, so string data structure, collection framework. So actually these array and string data structures are already known to you because you people are coming from Java background, right? Definitely you should have idea on these three data structures. But I'm not going in detail into this. Just I will provide support for videos. Okay, you can refer that. Then after that, linked list data structure, stack data structure, queue data structure, priority queue, so tree data structure and the graph. These are nothing but the content what we are going to discuss in our sessions. These are the 20 topics internally. In every topic, in detail content will be there. Okay. Yes, if you are having any questions, please let me know. After clarifying your questions, I will take any one chapter and I will start exploring. Okay. Any questions from your end?
What will be the duration of the course? I mean, you said it will start from 7 p.m., right? So it will be a one.
Yes. Sir, actually at 7 p.m. already one batch we started last before week itself. So it is going on. Already some students are there. But this is nothing but add-on batch. Whatever content I covered for them, I'm going to cover for you people later. Okay. So whatever topic I'm going to give for you in this week, that topic will be repeated for them. At the time, if you want, you can join also. Because I'm going to take a very important topic for this session. Both the syllabus I'm going to map and I will clear. Only this week, the sessions will be from 6:30 to 7:30. From the next coming Monday onwards, it will be from 7 p.m. onwards. These demos, as usual, at 6:30 will be there up to 4 or 5 sessions. Okay, sir?
Yeah, got it.
And the duration of this course is 2 months. Maybe 1 or 2 days it may extend, but definitely I'm going to complete on time. Clear?
Are we only going to cover the concepts, or are we going to cover any problems as well?
Problems also I'm going to explain. Sir. For example, if you take stack data structure, around 5 to 6 applications on stack we are going to see. It's a kind of a theoretical as well as practical knowledge. More concentration will be on programming part. Developing these data structures and implementing this algorithm is not an easy task, sir. Step by step, you have to learn. So make sure that you will get 70 to 80% of knowledge in data structures. Rest of the things you need to apply as an application. Okay, sir, clear?
Okay, by completing this course, how many problems I can solve? I mean, any specific number during the
No,
course?
it's depending on you. For example, if you take backtracking algorithms, there are
Yeah.
10 to 15 real-time problems out there. I can't explain all the problems because it may take 1 year time to complete the data structures alone. So I'm going to spend different category of programs I will choose. Similarity won't be there. Different genre programs I'm going to take and I will elaborate for you. Based on that, you need to take some time to understand the newly coming problem and you need to apply the pattern which we discussed, or else some twist may be there. Based on that, you have to. Got it, sir?
Got it.
Any other questions from remaining students? Please don't sit idle. Please speak because it is an interactive session.
Are we covering algorithms first or data structures first?
Sir, this course is not something like a continuity won't be there. See, today I may take one topic. So tomorrow after completion of that, I can start any other topic. There is no relation. So there is no sequence. You can start either algorithms or data structures. Both are different categories. Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions? Please let me know. If everything is clear, I will start one topic. Clear? Only 2 students are keep on responding. What about others? Right, good. So the topic which I am going to take in this 5 days or 4 days session is I will take sorting algorithms and I will finish these sorting algorithms what we have. So the topic which I am taking for 7 p.m. batch is recursion and application. So for you, I am going to take sorting algorithms. So after finishing of that searching algorithms, then I'm going to take some independent topic. Slowly, I will cover this recursion for you people, but spending some extra time. Then I will combine and I will cover. And the sorting and searching algorithms for them, I'm going to take one separate session. I will inform you. If you want, you can join and you can make it as a revision. Otherwise, you can ignore. Sir, if everyone clear with my schedule, I will start the session. Please confirm clear. Right. So anyone tell me what is mean by sorting? What is mean by sorting? Anyone tell me what is mean by sorting? In your terms, I want to listen. What is mean by sorting? Please.
Arrangement of data in a particular order or based upon certain parameter.
Very good, very good. Sorting means, first of all, why we need this sorting? You can see in majority of the applications or softwares, this sorting is mandatory. How we are using this sorting? For example, if I have a group of data is there, which is enclosed in a table, they are going to put some kind of animations on the top of each and every column, so that based on that column, the total data is going to be sorted. Sir, will it work or not? Definitely it is going to work. So in majority of the applications, sorting is very, very important. Not on the prescribed data. You can apply this on anything. So if you want to write a common definition, process of arranging the elements in order is called as sorting. The process of arranging the elements. For example, assume that I have 2, 5, 1, 3, 6, 4, like that. I have some data is there. Sir, can I arrange this data in order? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sir, even you can take like this also, right? Yes. What about this one? This one is called as ascending order. What about this one? This one is called as descending order. Like that, the process of arranging the elements is called as what? Sorting. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable? Just at very top level idea. Got it? Sir, I have alphabets are there. For example, ABC is there, then DEF is there, then XYZ is there, next MNO. Can you please arrange this? First ABC, then DEF, then MNO, and at last XYZ. So can I arrange this data in descending order? Yes, you can arrange. So what will be the data? First XYZ, then MNO, then DEF, then ABC, like that. So sometimes if you have some name, for example, like Sir Abhi, then I'm taking Kalyan. Next I'm taking Ram. Then I'm taking Raju. Then I'm taking Prakash. Then I'm taking Babu. Sir, I will ask a student to sort these names not accordingly, sir, based on their length. Length means what? Number of characters. Then what will happen? First Ram will come because how many characters it has? One character. Okay. Sir, then what will happen? You are going to get Raju. Sir, how many characters are there here? 4 characters. Then you will get Babu. How many characters are there? 4 characters. Then you may get Abhi. How many characters are there? Sir, 4 characters. Sir, in my point of view, first Abhi will come. Okay. Sir, then what will happen? Kalyan. How many characters are there? 6. Next, at last, Prakash. How many characters are there? 7. Now, you may have a doubt. Sir, there is one scenario where there are 3 names having the length 4 equally. In such cases, what you will do? Very simple. Which come first? So this is nothing but the first object. This is nothing but the second object. This is nothing but the third object. In input, in which order they appear, we will write in the same order. There is one special property is also there for that. Okay, we will see in detail while discussing about the what you can call algorithms. Like there are different kind of sorting algorithms are there. At the time of covering those, you will get clarity. Sir, I think I provided the basic things, sir. Okay. Sir, what are the various sortings allowed? Sir, you can arrange the data in ascending. Ascending order. You can arrange in descending order. Sir, alphabetically. So, in A to Z order you can take. So, alphabetically, so in Z to A order you can take. Sir, then even based on some property, based on length property, you can also sort them. There are different mechanisms are there by using which you can able to sort the data. If the theory part is clear, then we will see the basics of sorting. Are you clear with the theory part? Please confirm. Everyone should speak. Clear? Right. So now you can see I'm going to run a simple program, but every time if I'm taking the numbers, sample numbers, like for example, sir 5 is there, so next 7 is there, so next 6 is there, so next 8 is there. I want to sort this data. So every time if I'm taking the same example, which may not be correct, that's why what I am going to do is I will generate some random numbers, generating 10 random numbers, for sorting purpose. For sorting purpose, I am going to generate 10 random numbers and I will work on that. Let us see. Sir, I am writing a Java program. I hope you know very well how we can able to write a simple Java program. So here you can see I am taking test.java. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to execute this program. I will take command prompt. So if you see cd space test, I hope you know very well how to compile a Java program and how to execute a Java program. I'm taking Java C command to compile the Java file. Java C space test.java I'm giving. You can see the program successfully compiled fine. Java space I'm giving test. You can see we are getting the output hello. So my program is working perfectly. Now what is my requirement? I want to create one array, new integer of with how many elements? 10 elements. What is the initial value of these 10 elements? Zeros, right? Can I print? You need to take a loop. But in Java, there is one special class named with arrays having a method called toString. If you pass any array, what will happen? It will print the internal content of the array. It will print internal content of the array. That is nothing but the speciality of this toString method. Now see, what is my internal content of the array? Initially, we have all 10 zeros are there. If you are clear with this, I will fill this array with random elements. Please respond and confirm. Do you have any queries? Up to this program, do we have any queries?
No.
So, what is my next requirement? Sir, I want to store some random elements. How many random elements? 10. I will take integer I is equal to where it will store the array heap. Yes, that is the problem of language, right? We are not required to study about that. Array is an object, sir, in Java. Generally, where objects will be created in heap memory only. Okay. So I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to, or I less than, I will take a dot length, I plus plus. This is an array. Sir, what I am going to do is, we have a random class is there in Java. A random class is there in Java. I created one object for that random class. I am going to store r dot random dot next int within bracket 100. So in random class, there is one method named with next int, which is going to generate one random integer. Which random integer it will select? Sir, we have given some parameter, right? What is the parameter that I have given? 100. Now what will happen? So for 100, between 0 to 100, it will take one random number. It will take one random number, and that random number will be stored in the array. Every time we are going to get the random value. If you want, let us compile the program and let us execute. So you can see there are 10 random elements are there. If I am executing one more time, different values, different values, different values. Sir, where you can use this? I can show you a proof like these are the elements in array A before performing sorting operation. Once if you perform sorting operation, all these objects will be arranged in order. In which order it will be arranged? In ascending order or descending order based on the logic what we implemented. Friends, please confirm. Are you clear with this program? Feel free to ask your questions. Are you clear with this program? Any questions? Now we will see basics of sorting. Sir, I want to do sorting at a very top level. Can you please explain how it is going to work? Basics of sorting. So what is mean by basics of sorting? Sir, I'm going to take some 4 cases for this. Case 1 is sorting. Sorting elements in ascending order. Sorting elements in ascending order with customized range. With otherwise better here with customized range, and sorting the elements in descending order with customized range. Like that, sir, I want to take totally how many cases? 4 cases. Let us talk about this. Anyway, all our programs only. What is the first program? I want to sort the elements in ascending order. Forget about the type of sorting which we are applying. Is it a bubble sort? Is it a selection sort? Is it insertion sort? As of now, it is not our requirement. Okay, the very top level generalized algorithm I'm going to demonstrate. Now observe, suppose you have an array with elements, sir, 5. 1 second, please. Yeah, sorry for the delay. So assume that the elements what we have here is so 5, 2, 4, and then 1, and then 3. Like that, I have 5 elements are there. I want to sort these elements. So how I can able to do? I will take the first element and I am going to compare this first element with the second element. So what is the first element? 5. Is it less than the second element? No. If it is not less than, then what is the operation that you have to do? Swap. Now interchange these two. Here 2 will come and here we are going to get 5. So what is the next operation? You have to compare the same 2 with 4, first element. So is 2 is less than 4? Yes. That means no swap. No swap. Swapping is not. Now compare that first element with the next element. Is the condition is true? No, sir. That means what? You have to do swapping. So here 1 will come, here 2 will come. Next, compare that 1 with the last element. Is the condition is true? Yes. Now no need to swap. Sir, if you observe carefully, the element here is already sorted. This element gets sorted. Now same operation we have to perform for the remaining elements. Please confirm, are you clear with the logic? Everyone please confirm, are you clear with the logic? Don't send symbols, please open your mouth and speak. Are you clear? Yes, Vishnu, Shrikant, Aman, Priya.
Yes.
Yeah, please be active and respond. Now let us write the same code for reference purpose. We are going to implement the program. See, here what I'm going to do is I don't want this. Let me print like this. Here I'm using one special method called sort ASC. Can you please sort that array like that I'm taking? So compulsory, we are going to take a separate method for this. What is the name of the method? Sort ASC, which is going to take one array A. If you are clear with prototype, I will write the code. See, what is the first step that you have to do? Sir, we need to select an element. Okay, we have to select an element. What is the second step? We have to compare that element with remaining all elements. And if condition is satisfied, then what you have to do? Swap. These are the three steps. How you are going to select an element? I will take a loop which will start from 0th location and I less than a dot length. Sir, I plus plus. This is nothing but a loop what we have. But there is a problem. What is the problem is, sir, if you do these kind of comparisons, so once if all the four elements got sorted, is it required to sort the last element? No, right? Because it is an individual element, already it will be get sorted. That's why a dot length minus 1 I will take. This is nothing but the first step what I will do. Sir, clear up to this. Please confirm everyone. Clear? Now, what is the next step? We have to compare that element with remaining all the elements. How you will compare? Integer j is equal to, take the next element I plus 1. So j less than a dot length j plus plus. Now you have to perform comparisons. So we will check the condition and we have to write some comparison logic. What is a comparison logic? If the first element is less than next element, then what you have to do? No swap, right? Suppose if it is greater, then what you have to do? Swapping. How to do swapping? Take one temporary variable. So temp is equal to a of I is equal to a of j. So then a of j is equal to temp. Like that I'm going to sort. That's all. Now let's execute the program and cross-check whether really this swapping logic is working or not. You can see these are the elements before sorting and these are the elements after sorting. Again I am running for different multiple test cases. You can see for all test cases it is working fine. This is nothing but the logic how we can able to sort the elements in ascending order. Any questions? Feel free to ask your queries. Any questions? Any questions from your end? Now, sir, I want to sort the same thing, but I want to do it for descending order. We have second case is there, right? Sorting the elements in which order? Descending order. So for that, what we need to do? Very simple. Here in sort ASC, I am taking sort DESC. I am going to take sort DESC. Can you please sort the data in descending order? We have to select an element. We have to compare with all the elements. But this logic will change, right? In the place of greater than, if you take less than, automatically it is going to be sorted. Automatically it is going to be sorted. Now let us see what will happen. You can see this is nothing but the initial data what we have, and after sorting in descending order, this is nothing but the content what we have. So you understood very clearly how to sort the data in ascending order and descending order. Just only that a symbol replacement must be required. Rest of the things are same. Clear? Sir, at least please confirm, sir.
Yeah.
So now let us see how to sort the elements in ascending order with the customized range. Sir, customized range in the sense what? You need to select the starting point and ending point. In between that, we have to sort. Let me take sorting ASC. I'm going to give the starting index. Let it be 3, ending index. Let it be 8. So same sort in ASC. What is the change that you are going to do? I will provide starting index and ending index. But how you can do? You have to select the element from starting, sir, up to end minus 1. End minus 1. Sir, here also you need to take up to end. That's all. Remaining things are same, right? Here greater than will come. Now see, in between which locations we sorted? In between 3 to 7. Sir, 0th location, 1st, 2nd, 3rd location, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. You can see up to this, up to this border, you can see the elements got sorted. You can run any number of times, the same output you are going to get. This is nothing but how to sort the elements in ascending order with the customized range. Sir, I want to sort the elements in descending order with the customized range. What is the modification? Same thing. In the place of ASC, you need to take DSC. And here also you need to take DSC. In the place of greater than, take less than. In the place of greater than, take less than. Now see, is the data is sorted in descending order? Yes. So I hope you are very clear with this, how to sort the elements in ascending order and descending order with customized range. Any questions? That's all about today's session. So just I started sorting and the basics of sorting I demonstrated. So even how to generate the random numbers at a very top level I covered. So now you have to discuss about, we need to cover about, there are some predefined sorting methods are there that I will take. After completion of that predefined sorting algorithms, we are going to talk about bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, these things. Okay. So now if you are having any questions on course content and about the course, okay, you can feel free to ask. Any questions?
Sir, I have one question. Hello.
Yes, sir, please. Yes, please, sir.
Sir, when can we cover like time and space complexity?
maybe after completion of these sorting algorithms, I'm going to take time and space complexity and the introduction part. It is not that much big, sir. It is a small concept only. If you know how to calculate that for all the algorithms and for all the operations, we can. Okay. Okay, clear, sir?
Yeah, because sir, I basically face difficulties in time and space complexity only.
No, sir. It is not that much difficult. And in depth, we are not going. Just at very top level. For example, if you are seeing any algorithm, sir, what is the time complexity for this method? What is the time complexity? Big O of n square. Why n square? Because we are using two loops. If you have 5 elements, 5 into 5, 25 times 25 comparisons it is going to take. That's why. Okay. But anyway, we are going to reduce that. How it will be reduced? Slowly you will get clarity. Don't worry, I will explain. Okay. So the total duration of the course is nothing but 2 months. Any other questions? Clear? Right, sir. Anyway, we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Lead code setup and all we are going to cover, but lead code problems here I will explain in my own way. Okay. You need to execute there by setting the environment. Okay. But you will get confidence level by level you can able to solve. Right, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow for the continuation. Thank you.